Oh man, still got my glasses on. What's up, fools? Today's Tuesday. Didn't shoot any video yesterday, on Monday, but we've been back on the F100 here, putting some parts back on this thing. Got the control arms painted, got them hung on, got bushings and racks on, started to put the rear together. Got to get the gas tank painted. That's kind of that has to go in before the rear goes in, just because of the way it's situated in there. It's very tight to get it slid up in there, but get that. I think he's going to paint that today, maybe, hopefully get that thrown up in there, then we get the rear thrown in. Yeah, been fighting battery issues with this daggone camera. I got three new ones I think on order. I don't know what the deal is, and I think a lot of people have complained about these newer GoPros with having battery issues. But anyway, that's kind of what I was fighting yesterday with it. Got kind of frustrated with it, but that's part of the deal. So we'll try to catch some of this here today, and yeah, so still plugging away on the Caprice, the 51, waiting on, like I said, I'm waiting on the battery cable for that, finish that, and then essentially that's ready for the body to be sat back on. They're supposed to have the paint for the underside of that today. If we do get that and he does paint that, I will set the camera up in there and catch that going from that essentially grayish color to the blood red or whatever. That's, I don't know, I can never remember the name of it. I'm hard with names, but yeah, so another day, another week, get this stuff rolling, see what we got. So as always, follow along, check it out. on this thing. We got the clutch in yesterday. Got the throw bearing all adjusted on it. It's a McLeod twin disc. Has the Tilton adjustable throw-out bearing. So kind of what you're seeing there is like back and forth a bunch of times to get the depth set on it right. So got that all put in. Just a matter of doing that stuff. Now this thing, these Gen 3 Coyotes, they have a plastic whole pan on them. So actually Power by the Hour makes a kit to convert it to essentially a Gen 2 steel pan. So we're gonna put that in, get rid of that stupid freaking Ford plastic freaking drain plug. Actually have a real oil pan on the thing. So I know the plastic stuff's cool and good for certain things, but I don't know, I'm a steel guy. So we're gonna get this thing slung up here with this menagerie wide-headed thing, get it picked up here, throw the oil pan on, and I did final torque the bell housing bolts and the transmission bolts. So it's just a matter of, I gotta mark them. Like I said, we'll throw the oil pan on. I will recheck the motor mount bolts to the block, put Loctite on them, make sure that's all good to go, and we'll get her sat down in here. Start rolling with that. Do have to get the bottom of the airbags on these front bags, they got freaking dry rot on them. So we're gonna get another set of airbags for the front of it to put on there. So other than that, kind of waiting for that. You still got to paint the tank to get that thrown in there. But yeah, so that's where we're at today. So follow along, watch this, and we'll do that. as you can see. Motor's in, sat down in, and the exhaust is on. Everything put back where it should be. Now just kind of going back through and final assembling everything. Had to pull the power steering pump off to get to the fittings and stuff on that, tighten them all up, but making progress. So again, slow deal, but that's kind of name of the game. But yeah, it's she'll be pretty sweet. So catch some more here and do what we do.